Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta using pizza pasta sauce. This simple method transforms everyday ingredients into a delicious meal quickly. First, ensure you have all your components ready, such as your preferred pasta shape, a good quality pizza sauce, and any optional additions like cheese or vegetables. This approach is perfect for busy weeknights or when you crave something comforting and easy to prepare. Next, let's get your pasta cooking. Bring about 4 quarts of water to a rolling boil in a large pot, then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Carefully add your 12 ounces of pasta, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta until it's al dente, which usually takes 8 to 10 minutes, following the package instructions. Once cooked, drain the pasta, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of that starchy cooking water. Now for the star of the show, the pizza sauce. In a separate saucepan, gently warm your 15 ounces of pizza sauce over medium-low heat until it's simmering. Once the sauce is warm, add your drained pasta directly into the saucepan. Toss everything together carefully, ensuring every strand of pasta is beautifully coated in the rich sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually add a little of the reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious pizza pasta. Dish it out immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh basil or some grated Parmesan cheese for an extra touch. This meal is fantastic on its own, but it also pairs wonderfully with a crisp green salad. It's a simple, satisfying dish that brings the fun flavors of pizza to your pasta. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.